Okay, question 12. You guys read it? You can pause the video in order to read it. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is C, blue. You guys can pause this as well in order to choose the answer. The correct answer is A, orange. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is C, indigo. An anemone on the shell of a hermit crab is an example of which relationship? A, parasitism. B, commensalism. C, mutualism. Or D, predation. The correct answer is B, commensalism. Question 16. Bile produced by the liver, stored in the gallbladder and released in the duodenum is designed to A, break protein into peptides. B, emulsify fats. C, turn polysaccharides into oligosaccharides. Or D, absorb water from chyme. Which one is correct? And the correct answer is D, absorb water from chyme. Okay, you guys read this question. Question 17. Which one is the correct answer? Is it A, synthesis, B, combustion, C, neutralization, or D, double replacement? Which one is it? And you guys are correct. It's C, neutralization. The equilibrium point between the solid, liquid, and vapor state of an element at a specific temperature and pressure is the A, critical point, B, triple point, C, melting point, or D, boiling point. Which one is it? B, triple point. Next question. Which of these hormones is responsible for secondary sexual characterism in the human female? Is it A, estrogen, B, progesterone, C, FSH, or D, oxytocin? Which one is it? The correct answer is A, estrogen. Next question. Question 20. The most efficient way to block protein synthesis would be to block the action of A, mitochondria, B, ribosome, C, Golgi apparatus, or D, centrioles. The correct answer would be B, ribosomes. A roller coaster car starts at the top of a steep incline and travels rapidly down the track. As it reaches the bottom just before its momentum moves it up the next year, it has A, maximum kinetic energy, B, maximum potential energy, C, minimum kinetic energy, or D, the kinetic energy and potential energy are equal. The correct answer is A, maximum kinetic energy. Next question. Which of these process is not the same as the others? A. Krebs cycle. B. Cycling phosphorylation. C. Aerobic cellular respiration. D. Glycolysis. Which one is correct? The correct answer is D. Glycolysis. A student with 58.5 grams of NaCl has how many moles of the compound? The atomic mass of sodium is 23 and the atomic mass of chlorine is 35.5. Is it A. 5 moles, B. 3 moles, C. 2 moles, or D. 1 mole? Which one is it? It's D. 1 mole. The word cutaneous is associated with A. Integumentary system, B. Nervous system, C. Endocrine system, or D. Skeletal system. Which one is it? The correct answer is A. Integumentary system. Question 25. Once proteins are broken down into peptides by the digestive system, they still need to be further broken down into A. Fatty acids, B. Nitrogen atoms, C. Sucrose, or D. Amino acids. Which one is it? The correct answer is D. Amino acids. If a 180-pound man pushes against an immovable brick wall with a force of 100 and for 3 hours, how much work was done? A. 300 joules, B. 440 joules, C. 0 joules, or D. 60 joules. The correct answer is C. 0 joules. Next question. Placing a cell in a hypotonic solution will result in which of the following? A. Water will flow into the cell and the cell may burst. B. Water will flow out of the cell and the cell may shrink. C. The same amount of water will flow in and out of the cell. Or D. The water will not flow. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is A. Water will flow into the cell and the cell may burst. Next question. Question 28. The property of water demonstrated when water droplets cling to an empty glass that was just washed is A. Specific gravity, B. Osmosis, C. Adhesion, or D. High specific heat. The correct answer is C. Adhesion. Next question. Question 29. The cranial nerve that controls the amount of light entering the pupil is A. Sensory neuron, B. Interneuron, C. Glial cell, or D. Motor neuron. Which one is it? The correct answer is D. Motor neuron. Okay. No one must increase the sodium concentration in the cell body by adding more sodium against the concentration gradient by A. Osmosis, B. Active transport, C. Diffusion, or D. Facilitated diffusion. Which one is it? The correct answer is B. Active transport. Okay. Question 31. A solution with hydrogen ion concentration of 1 × 10⁻⁹ would be considered A. Neutral, B. Basic, C. Acidic, or D. A proton donor. The correct answer is B. Basic. Question 32. What set of valves in the heart keeps blood from flowing backwards from the major vessel? Is it A. Atrioventricle, B. Tricuspid, C. Aortic, or D. Semilunar? Which one is correct? The correct answer is D. Semilunar. What part of the hair actually translates vibration into the nerve impulse? A. Tympanic membrane, B. Incus and steps, C. Semicircular canal, or D. Cochlea? The correct answer is D. Cochlea. Question 34. In the middle food chain, field mice eat the seeds of several types of fruit. Brown snake eat only field mice, and barn owls eat both brown snakes and field mice. What will likely happen to the food chain if the former exterminates the brown snakes? A. The barn owls will die. B. The field mouse population will increase. C. The barn owls will eat more field mice. D. Nothing. The correct answer is C. The barn owls will eat more field mice. Question 35. The use of propane as a heating fuel is an example of A. Question A. Combination reaction. Answer B. Single displacement reaction. Answer C. Combustion reaction. Or question D. Or answer D. Synthesis reaction. The correct answer is C. Combustion reaction. Question 36. If cut open, the phloem of a green plant will have this substance: A. Carbon dioxide, B. Water, C. Chlorophyll, or D. Food? The correct answer is D. Food. Charles' law states that, you guys can read this one. Is it A, B, C, or D? The correct answer is B. To create a male human embryo, the sperm that fertilizes it must contain A. Y chromosome, B. An X chromosome, C. Both X and Y chromosomes, or D. It doesn't matter. The correct answer is, for question 38, A. Y chromosome. What is a chemical messenger that is transported throughout the body by the circulatory system and acts on growth, reproduction, and metabolism? Is it A. Hormone, B. Complement proteins, C. Enzyme, or D. Natural killer cell? The correct answer is A. Hormone. On the periodic table, electronegativity of an element increases: A. Top to bottom, left to right, B. Top to bottom and right to left, C. Bottom to top to left, D, bottom to top and left to right. The correct answer is D, bottom to top and left to right. In a human eye, the retina contains A, the lens, B, aqueous humor, C, rods and cones, or D, ciliary body. The correct answer is D, ciliary body or ciliary body, I don't know. What is the force in newtons on an object with a mass of 50 kilograms subject to acceleration of gravity of about 10 meters? I don't know how to say this, but is the correct answer A, B, C, or D for question 42? The correct answer is A. Correct. Let's move on to the next one. In the alveoli of the lungs, oxygen and carbon dioxide are exchanged through the process of A, active transfer, B, hydrolysis, C, diffusion, or D, partial pressures. The correct answer is C, diffusion. Next question. How could water be boiled at room temperature? For question 44. Is it A, raise the boiling point, B, decrease the volume, C, lower the pressure, or D, increase the pressure? The correct answer is, for question 44, D, increase the pressure. Question 45 to 47 are based on the following experience. A student has 3 different test tubes with 10 milliliters, each of unknown solutions A, B, and C. The student knows that one is an acid, one is a base, and one is water. Solution A mix with C turns litmus paper blue. Solution A mixed with C turns litmus paper red. Solution A mixed with B has a pH of 7. Which one? Solution A could be answer A, orange juice, B, lemon juice, C, water, or D, dishwasher. The correct answer is D, dishwasher. Question 46. Question 45 to 47 are based on the following experiment. A student has 3 different test tubes with 10 millimeters, each of unknown solution A, B, and C. The student knows that one is an acid, one is a base, and one is water. Solution A mixed with C turns litmus paper blue. Solution A mixed with C turns litmus paper red. Solution A mixed with B has a pH of 7. Solution C appears to be A, acidic, B, basic, C, water, or D, you can't tell. The correct answer for question 46 is C, water. Question 45 to 47 are based on the following experiment. A student has 3 different test tubes with 10 milliliters each of unknown solution A, B, and C. The student knows that one is an acid, one is a base, one is water. Solution A mixed with C turns litmus paper blue. Solution A mixed with C turns litmus paper red. Solution A mixed with B has a pH of 7. Mixing solution A and B is an example of what type of reaction? Is it A, synthesis, B, combustion, C, neutralization, or D, double replacement? The correct answer for 47 is C, neutralization. Question 48. The total resistance of a parallel circuit with 3 resistors of 10, 20, and 40 ohms is A, 70 ohms, B, 800 ohms, C, 5.7 ohms, or D, 10 ohms. The correct answer for question 48 is C, 5.7 ohms. Question 49. If two parents are heterozygous for the genes that cause sickle cell anemia, what is the probability that the offspring will have the genetic disease? Is it answer A, 25%, B, 50%, C, 75%, or D, 100%? Which one is correct? The correct answer for question 49 is A, 25%. Question 50. The level of calcium in the blood is regulated by A, adrenal glands, B, parathyroid gland, C, heart, or D, lymph nodes. The correct answer is, for question 50, B, parathyroid gland. 51. Question 51. To identify if two organisms that are closely related on the taxonomic scale, the evidence is A, similar outward appearance, B, similar habitat, C, similar methods of sexual reproduction, or D, similar amino acid sequences in the protein. The correct answer is D, similar amino acid sequences in the proteins. Question 52. If an ideal gas gets at a pressure of 150 atmospheres as a volume of 2 liters, what will be volume B if the pressure doubles to 300 atmospheres with constant pressure in moles of gas? Is it A, 2 liters, B, 2 liters, C, 4 liters, or D, 0.5 liters? Which one is correct for question 52? The correct answer is B, 1 liter. Next question. Question 53. The AB blood type is an example of A, sex linkage, B, law of segregation, C, law of dominance, or D, codominance. The answer to that question is D, codominance. If the side 54, question 54, if the side of square A is twice the length of the side of square B, then the ratio of the area of square A to square B is it A, B, C, or D? Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is A. A solution that is strong acid will most likely have a pH balance of A, B, C, or D. The correct answer is D. Question 56. An atom like sodium becomes positively charged by A, gaining electrons, B, losing electrons, C, gaining neutrons, or D, gaining protons. The correct answer is, for question 56, B, losing electrons. Question 57. Which one of these is not a chemical change? Is it A, boiling an egg, B, dissolving a compound in water, C, roasting iron, or D, hydrolyzing water? The correct answer is, for question 57, B, dissolving a compound in water. Question 58. When solid falls on the ground, turns directly to water vapor when warmed by the sun. The process is an example of A, condensation, B, evaporation, C, freezing, or D, sublimation. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is D, sublimation. Next question. Binary fission in bacteria is most similar to A, budding in yeast cells, B, production of sperm and egg in frogs, C, production of sperm and egg in humans, or D, meiosis in cap. The correct answer is, for question 59, A, budding in yeast cells. Next question. Question 60. The skeletal muscles in the arm working in the radius and ulna are most likely in which sample machine? A, inclined plane, B, lever, C, wheel and axle, or D, screw? The correct answer is B, lever. Question 61. If a car travels at 45 miles per hour for 10 seconds, how many miles does it travel? Is it A, B, C, or D? Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is, of course, A, 7.5 miles. Next question. Question 62. Alpha particles can be stopped with cardboard. These are also known as A, gamma or gamma rays, B, X-rays, C, high energy electrons, or D, helium nuclei. The correct answer for question 62 is D. Once again, guys, if I'm going too fast, stop the video so you can take your time and read the question and time yourself, because I think in the actual test it's 45 minutes for 80 questions. We have 45 minutes for the science part, so it's not that much time. I would advise you guys to time yourself. The first part of this video, question 1 to 11, is on the first is on the channel. My phone has storage problems since I'm filming for my phone, so I had to cut this video, the other video, and make this new video for you guys, so you can find the other part on my YouTube channel. Then I'm going to put the second part, and I'm going really fast so I have enough time and enough storage to do all of this, and I have to pause this and post another one also, because this is only test 1. I have to post the second test, and the second test is the most important one because a lot of the questions are in there. Okay, let's continue. Question 62. Which of these is the formula for kinetic energy as seen with gas molecules? Is it A, B, C, or D? The correct answer is, for question 63, A. Next question. Question 64. Applying the brakes in car that was moving east results in A, increased velocity, B, positive acceleration, C, moving at a constant speed, or D, negative acceleration? The correct answer is D, negative acceleration. Question 65. Form elements in the blood are produced by this organ in the fetus. A, liver. B, bone marrow. C, kidney. Or D, spleen. The correct answer is D, spleen. Question 66. Canis familiaris is the scientific name for dogs. The term canis is what level on the taxonomy system? Is it A, kingdom? Is it B, class? Is it C, family? Or is it D, genus? The correct answer is D, genus. Next question. Question 67. Which of these has the weakest force of attraction? Is it A, covalent bond? Is it B, ionic bonds? Is it C, polar covalent bonds? Or D, hydrogen bonds? The correct answer is, you guessed it right, D, hydrogen bonds. Question 68. A solution with a pH of 3 is likely to have more of which of these ions? So A, B, C, or D? The correct answer for question 68 is B. Question 69. What are the coefficients of the product when the chemical reaction, you can read it because I'm not going to read that, is balanced? A, B, C, or D? Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is D. Question 70. If a certain gas has a critical point of 270 degrees Celsius and the temperature is raised another 100 degrees Celsius while the pressure remains stable, it is most likely going to A, remain a gas, B, become a solid, C, condense into liquid, or D, disintegrate. The correct answer is You guessed it right. A, remain a gas. Okay, you guys can read that one. 71, question 71. Okay. 235 years, half-life of about 25,000 years. If you have 100 grams, how many grams will you have uranium? 234 will you have left after 75,000 years? Is it A, 50 grams, B, 25 grams, C, 12.5 grams, or D, 0 grams? The correct answer is, for question 71, C, 12.5 grams. Which of these organelles is not found in animal cells? Is it A, chloroplast, B, vacuoles, C, mitochondria, or D, Golgi apparatus? The correct answer is, for question 72, A, chloroplast. Question 73. Which of this statement is true about inhalation during respiration?